Hi, this is Kai. Thanks for dropping in. This section's on how the plates get cleaned in ionizers. There's a lot of different systems for cleaning plates right now, and it makes a very big difference in how long your ionizer lasts. About 40 years ago, the Russian scientists who developed ionized water realized that by switching the electrical current on the plates inside the unit, they could cause the plates to get cleaned. What happens is the calcium precipitates out of the water when there's an electrical current through the water, and it causes a film, kind of a scaling that covers the plates, and then when the plates that are made out of platinum don't touch the water, the diodes can't produce the alkaline water. And in time, actually quite quickly, if there's hard water in your area, your plates will get coated with calcium and no longer produce the good alkaline water. Water will come out the unit, but it won't be alkalized. The old systems, which many companies still use, even 10 years ago, this was the best system, and even the most expensive units on the market today still use this system. They would do a backwash, and they would clean the plates every 15 gallons. In other words, 15 gallons of water would run through your unit, and then for 30 seconds the current would reverse, and the plates would be then being bathed in acid water because they've reversed the current, and they would clean, but they wouldn't get that much off. I mean, it takes quite a bit off, but over a period of a few years, the plates will get coated. And that is one of the drawbacks of a system that only backwashes every 15 gallons for 30 seconds. It's a 1:30 ratio in terms of the plates sitting in alkaline water versus acid water. Well, about 5 years ago, Emcotech, the company that makes the Ionways products, produced the Melody, which was a big improvement. It's a patented product, and they backwash the unit every time you get a glass of water. So for about 15 seconds, the unit will backwash every time you fill up a glass of water. And it's about a 1:4 ratio. In other words, the plates are sitting in acid water for about a quarter of the time. These units don't get caked up with calcium nearly as fast as the units that backwash every 15 gallons. Last year, Emcotech came out with even a newer patent and a whole new cleaning system, and they said, why don't we get this up to a 1:1 ratio? And they came out with the Athena and the Delphi, and both of these units have a 1:1 ratio. In other words, there's two plates that oppose each other. One's negative and one's positive inside the unit, and they create up electrical current between them. And they keep switching the current back and forth, polarity, negative and positive, every 15 seconds. There's a solenoid switch in both of these two units, and every 15 seconds it switches. And so the alkaline water coming out the top of the unit now is coming from the acid side, and then 15 seconds later it switches, and the alkaline side produces the alkaline water, and it keeps switching back and forth, and it has to have a lot of different plumbing inside these units and solenoid switches with little computer chips to make sure the water comes out the same spout continuously. There's no backwash time because it's a 1:1 ratio, and all they're doing is switching the current and changing the plumbing so that the water's being produced from the other side but still comes out the same faucet that you're used to. It's a fabulous invention. It's an incredible improvement, and these units have been rated to last for 20 years without building a plaque. They run them in their R&D department continuously to mimic what would be a normal 20-year use. And basically, these units are the best units in terms of a cleaning system on the market. Thanks.